Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are making this very delicious dessert which is very easy to make and I really enjoyed making it. So let's make together this very easy and very delicious apple turnovers. So first of all, take a pot and to the pot add 1 tablespoon of butter. And we will melt the butter. So once your butter is melted, add 1.5 pounds of diced Granny Smith apple or any apples and mix it well. So we will coat all the apples in butter and we will cook it on medium heat until apples are soft. So once your apples are soft, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm using cinnamon sugar. I added 2 teaspoons of cinnamon sugar, but you can add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon if you're just using cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Now we will mix everything together and on reduced heat we will cook it. And we will caramelize our apples and make sure all the apples are well coated in our sugar mixture. So as you can see, it's getting there. It will take some time, but at the end you will see the results are absolutely amazing and the cinnamon aroma is amazing. So next I'm taking store-bought puff pastry sheets, and I first of all flour your work surface and also flour your rolling pin. And take the first puff pastry sheet and we will roll it out to about 10 to 11 inch. I had already thought of my puff pastry ahead of time, so it was quite easy. So as you can see, we got it up to the required measurements, and next I'm going to cut it in the middle and I'm going to cut it in 4 even squares. I'm using a pizza cutter because it's easier with that, and as you can see I have 4 almost equal squares. And now in the center, with the help of a spoon, add your prepared apple mixture. Don't overfill it, otherwise they will ooze out. And next, I'm with the help of a egg wash. I'm taking egg wash and I'm going to brush all 4 edges very lightly, enough for it to fold, and then you will fold it over the edges and make a triangle and just lightly press on the corners, and with the help of a fork we will crimp the edges shut so it does not ooze out up there. And next I'm going to make some slits so that there is some room for the air to release. And you can see our puff pastry is ready. Now put it on your baking tray and while we finish the rest. So you can see our puff pastries are ready. Next I'm going to use the egg wash and coat the top of our pastries. I also use some turbinado sugar or any sugar on top. It is optional. If you want, you can do it. So now we will bake it at 400°F or 205°C for about 15 to 30 minutes, and we will let it cool once it's baked for 15 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going to glaze my apple turnovers. For glaze recipe, I used 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. So I mixed the sugar with heavy cream in a bowl, and you can add as much heavy cream you want and make it a smooth mixture. Now we will place our pastries on a rack and we are going to drizzle our prepared glaze on top. You can drizzle as much as you want. And you can see our puff pastries look amazing. So next we are going to let the glaze rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. And our delicious apple turnovers are ready to serve. You can see they look absolutely amazing. The flavor was mouth watering. The apples with cinnamon came out really well. And the sugar coating on top, you can see, looks absolutely gorgeous. So now let's break it apart and see our filling from inside. You can see look at that apple and how silky and how smooth and how glazed they look. I hope you like this recipe, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.